Okay, I got the first block off in one piece. And now I can start splitting it. I think it's going to split better from the other side, but it didn't want to fall that way and I didn't want to hurt myself trying to make it fall that way. So I'm going to take off what I can. Like I envision right here, I should be able to take some of that off. Over here it's going to be a lot harder. It looks gnarly. And it looks, you know, that's the problem. It looks like it was dying. Over here, not sure. I'll try it though. So here we are. So now we can diagnose what was really going on with this tree. And we have good wood in here, all solid, but you can see how it's starting to go this way. And this doesn't look so good. Now this, it twisted, well it didn't twist a lot though. So this was on this side of the tree right here. So who knows if it goes in, if it goes into this one, that means this side is questionable. Yeah, it really needs to come down because this thing would go right that way. So hopefully we can get it down before it comes down on its own. So I'm just going to do some close-ups of what we have here. That's quite wet there. Maybe, yeah, I'm not sure why. So now we can try to count the rings from the center out. And that'll tell us about how many years old it is. Okay, so I envision it going much better now, at least for another 12 feet. Getting into the limbs up there is going to be tough, but right through here, I'm not going to hit any stones because I got the blocks. So up in here, it's going to be tough to take blocks off with the stone there, but we'll do what we can. Okay, I'm going to call it a day, but first block is off, and now we'll be doing some blocks and splitting. Be much better than ripping. The ripping is hard on the saws and it's time consuming, and splitting, at least I'm getting a good workout. As opposed to running the chainsaw all the time. Okay, call it a day.